Have you ever been frustrated by unexpected spacing issues in your web design? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common CSS problem that many developers face: how to use display flex while keeping your text properly spaced. I totally get it. You want to create a seamless experience for your users, and when things don't look right, it can be really annoying. This is a common issue that many developers encounter, especially when working with Flexbox. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why does using display flex with my text and tags remove spaces?" They provided a code snippet that works in most cases but fails when it comes to centering text with links. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When using display flex, the default behavior is to treat text nodes as inline elements, which can lead to unexpected spacing issues. This is especially true when you have links or other inline elements mixed in. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a simple CSS solution at the end that will help you maintain that perfect spacing while keeping everything centered. To address the issue of missing spaces in the text, the user can start by modifying the HTML structure slightly. Instead of placing the text directly inside the flex container, they can wrap the text in a span element. Next, the user should add some CSS to ensure that the spaces are preserved. This can be done by setting the whitespace property to now wrap for the span element. After applying the CSS, the user should check the layout again. The text should now display correctly with the spaces intact while still being centered within the flex container. If the user wants to maintain flexibility for other cases, they can also consider using margin properties on the span element to control spacing without affecting the centering. Finally, the user should test the changes across different browsers to ensure consistent behavior. This will help confirm that the solution works universally. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of CSS was released in 1996? We've come a long way since then, but spacing issues still seem to haunt us. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests adding a margin to the anchor tag. This will create space around the link, helping to maintain the desired spacing in your layout. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests reconsidering the need for Flexbox. Instead, they recommend using text-align to center the content. By wrapping the add code in a div with text-align set to center, you can maintain the desired centering without losing spaces between the text and the link. Here's the CSS tip I promised. Always test your layout with different content types. This will help you catch spacing issues before they become a problem. And there you have it. With these simple adjustments, your text should be perfectly spaced while still centered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development.